Roger that. Unless you want to come out tonight. Oh. Is that all you have to wear out tonight? Gotcha. Cool. Makes sense. Kind of, yeah.
Sailor coming down?
Oh, you got it. Now I gotta find my pants. Look at Stefano's face. Oh my god. Here. See my people? I don't see them.
Are they already down here?
Usually this is like the... Yeah, this is
In the middle?
usually where it goes
Stay right
down
here,
at.
then.
Yeah. I don't know. Where do you go? Maybe they're like in there.
No. I'd stay here. I don't think they're in there. They probably meet on the street.
Where's Tay? Oh.
You were just shooting.
I see her. Oh, there they are. Yo.
You get a little cold?
Dude, I'm very comfortable now. I'm very
How you
comfortable
doing?
now.
How's it going, man? How's that?
Oh, look, there they are.
What's up, big boy?
Hello, sir.
Congratulations, man.
How are you?
Good. Kind of. Thank you.
Oh, there he is. There's G.
Yes, ma'am. What's up, dude? Fucking like to see. Wait.
Hey. Broke my chains in one night.
Oh my God, not again.
Look what you did, G.
I love you. Oh, that's so good.
Celebrating with him.
Yeah. Thank you. I love beating Magnetes. That's what, if we get one game, that's what I want.
He broke both of them. He broke both of them.
Wait, you broke whose chain? You broke two of your chains?
I was fixing my...
And you jumped on me? I'm knocking things off left and right. What's up, baby? Beat us and everything.
Zachary, I just broke my other chain.
How's it going, sir? What's up? So we gotta win next week, trying to give me a ring. So you can get one? That means you'll get 2 rings. He had like 3 tackles. At least 2. No, he won a way. What's going, dog?
Dude, hey, I need you to know that you tackled a guy with someone else on you.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. In the first half, you tackled him.
Slammed him
Through a
into
dude. You gotta
big body.
Yeah.
Throwing people.
Yeah, everybody bourbon coming through, bro. You better move.
Fucking proud of you, dog.
And then I got that one over there. I don't know.
Some people make something once in a lifetime.
I just hope you can. Come on, stop. Find it way on top. The best you do.
Just one more.
Man, roses.
Yeah, we need post-game music.
I only just broke both my chains in one night.
Dude, you went from being 2 chains to no chains in like no time. This man goes from 2 chains to no chains in no time.
Which one? The first one or the second one? Yeah.
What about the one you gave up for the touchdown?
That wasn't mine. Should have been.
Because I can get on the field with it. It was just a kid.
You came from the edge. I mean, up. Look at your brother after. I saw Uncle Ben there.
Yeah, Uncle.
Okay.
They got too cold.
When you get to your phone and you find out who all was here.
A lot of people.
There's a ton of people.
All the hovers.
Dude, we saw all the hovers.
Garret was here.
They were all here. They all left before the first one.
Elizabeth. They were all here.
Barrett.
Look, cold farm. They were all right there. Evidently not enough alcohol in the building.
There's not enough alcohol in the state to keep them here.
They ran out of alcohol downstairs.
They stayed as long as they could. They were all here.
On the 40 on the
40 on the 40. It's like 20 on 20, but not as catchy.
All right, take over then, Garret.
Look at this man.
Right.
Whose man's is this?
One photo.
It's picking me up.
Steven's in town. I just saw Steven.
You seen him?
Yeah, I seen him earlier.
I communicated with him on Facebook this week. So we decided to shoot some birds and
Heads up.
What?
coming through and they stop.
Yeah.
Victoria, Tay.
Yeah. Oh, hey. Oh, hey, wait. Hey, Nick, Zach, can you Mom, you need to come get in this thing. We need to take a big family picture. All right, Connor, I wish you stopped. It's pulling me down to make him stop it. I know I'm the sort of
Oh, look who made it! Hey, look who made it!
Does this thing on at all times?
Yeah. You know, like, remember that headset that I put on?
Yeah.
We're gonna be able to put on a headset and look at it like it's gonna be the it's gonna be the coolest thing you've ever seen.
So excited. That's right.
All right, now let's take one like with Grandma and Grandpa too, like a big family one.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on, Taylor. Victoria.
All right, ladies, now let's get
You get ready.
I told him, I said, tell him you can play defense. For me, play defensive line.
We have props and you get props. Props for the props. Imagine
the right side of the
being able to relive this moment. 50 years. You can relive it again tomorrow if you wanted to.
At 105 years old, I'll still be here.
Nah. Okay, maybe 30 years.
Maybe not you, but other people.
Yeah, there will be people that could relive this experience in 50 years. Little grandkids. Big grandkids, maybe. Bye. Yeah, dude, that's gonna get to do this is with all your grandkids.
How are you?
I'm good.
That'd be fun.
We were upstairs. Yeah, y'all were nice.
I can handle it on the football field though. I don't really handle it right now.
What's up, C?
What's up?
That thing's on right now. What's up with it? What's up?
What's up? No, I'm gonna come out tonight.
You are going to eat?
Probably. I don't know. I'm not from here. Y'all have to tell me where to
I'm
go.
asking if y'all are going as a family.
I have no idea.
No, they're not.
If they,
going to gate on.
I'm probably gonna be sleeping at y'all's house, or Victoria's gonna not drink and drive us home.
No, we're all having fun.
We'll see. Yeah,
We all have fun.
I'm gonna get tore up tonight. That'll be fun.
It should be. Hey, Cam, let me see your big face.
Bye, y'all. Take care. Nice meeting y'all. And then you were nice out in the weather.
Oh, yeah, that was fun. Hey, watch this. This is going to be cool. Watch, put this on really quick. I just want you to feel this jacket. This thing is insane. It's my dad's. I have to give it back to him today. I don't want to give it back. That thing, it's impossible. I have a short sleeve shirt on. I feel like I'm the warmest person in the entire building.
Wow.
It's crazy.
That sounds awesome.
2 weeks in a row, man.
Dude,
Must be the
lucky
greatest,
you, man.
Greatest brother in the world.
Oh, dude, I miss going to Tuscaloosa to be here for that fucking. And the thing is, he won't appreciate it. He don't care. He's like, oh yeah, that is here, cool.
Yeah, he'll care a little bit later.
Yeah, and hopefully.
Yeah, you'll hold it against him.
No, me no.
Okay, sir. What time do you think you're gonna leave? As soon as I get home. Okay. Take your time, man.
He's going to get on?
Yeah, he's going to try. He ain't got nothing packed yet.
And then, listen, when you get to Gaydon, you go through the town of Gaydon. You act like you're going to, no, bring you.
But it'll work.
Oh,
is what I
yeah,
mean.
yeah.
My iPad.
Yes. Let's see. Go through Gaydon. You're gonna
Stay on Highway
They got this little. It's a little town called Klondike. Before you get to the bridge in Lake Hall, so don't cross over the bridge.
Don't go over the bridge.
No. And you're gonna see it's gonna come to 14. It's gonna say the directions I sent you. Just you punch them in. You email them to you.
Yeah, I got it.
So you know and it's gonna exit you off. So you're gonna see it's gonna say B&G hunting camp.
Oh, really?
Sign about this big.
Okay.
And it's the Taco Bell sign. Turn right there, and it's gonna wind you down about 3 or 4 miles, maybe 5 miles, and then you're gonna come to a turn, and you're gonna go straight onto a gravel road. So don't think you lost. It's gonna seem like you lost, and you're gonna go down there for almost a mile, and you come to another sign this big, B&G, you know, right there, and just follow it and takes you right to the camp.
And then we got TV, so we'll see the election returns.
You'll be able to see everything.
Because you realize the election
I got
returns are coming
5
in tonight.
TVs in there. Yeah, I got 5 TVs in there. Take your time.
Do you have reception?
Yeah,
Cell reception? All right, if you got cell reception,
I got
you'll be
direct
able to.
TV in there. I got every room.
Okay. All right.
Okay, let's go.
All right, love you, Grandma.
Go pack, go watch the game.
Yeah.
Oh, love you so much.
Well, if we're ahead, if it's like 21-0, then I'll go ahead and drive and listen to it on the
Let me
radio.
get you the
If it's 14-13, I may not get there till midnight tonight.
Yeah, we're probably
I may have
gonna
to sit
end
there
up
and
watching that.
pull them
bar
through if
here.
that's
We're not
what
gonna go back to
happens.
Baton Rouge. We're gonna stay here.
Oh, good.
You can go out with them.
Yeah, we're gonna go out with them, go
Well,
celebrate.
that's nice.
Yeah,
Y'all going out with?
Isn't it?
Garret and Stefano and all that. I haven't been out in Thibodeau in 3 years.
Oh, you're saying in this town?
Yeah, we're gonna stay here and
Well, y'all be careful going back to that.
we're probably gonna go back tomorrow morning. We'll probably just sleep at Garrett's, honestly. But yeah, Elizabeth was here. She was up there.
Nick enjoy himself?
Yes. I haven't gotten to talk to him about everything, but he did have
You
a
didn't
great
tell
time.
me Nick had a ticket.
Uh-oh.
Was that relevant?
Yeah, because when I get there, I hand him his ticket at the stadium, and he said, "Mr. Gregg, I already have a ticket." And I said,
He went to the student section with
"This
his
is
friend.
good." I know,
He didn't
but I
tell
could
me.
have brought somebody else with us because we had an empty plane. We didn't have no tickets.
I would have gone.
We didn't have any tickets. That was the deal. Was no tickets.
He's boycotting
Had plenty of room on the
Alabama.
plane.
We need to work on our communication.
Yes.
You said your quote was, "Nick is going to take my place."
Dude,
That means your seat.
you think
and
law
your
school
ticket.
would make me better at things like this?
You
You
think?
made it
Like,
better.
like that's like how you read a contract and it means 2 different
It's
things.
the little things. That's
Little things that count.
Okay, I'm sorry. My bad. I love you.
Okay,
Yeah, be safe.
Love y'all. Be careful. Be careful.
Please be safe. Love y'all. Don't get anyone fucking wrecked. Victoria and I photobombed it. She was on one side like this, and I was on the other side like that.
Pizza at my house.
Pizza?
On the LeBlanc.
At their house.
Hey, I'm gonna stay in Thibodeau tonight.
So
G, we're gonna, Victoria and I are gonna, if she decides not to drink, we'll drive back, but the tentative plan is get fucked up with you in Thibodeau
okay,
tonight.
sounds good to me.
Is that okay with you?
Yeah. I don't know what we're. I don't know if I'm getting fucked up at my house and staying there.
Don't
or
care.
going out because we got a huge practice tomorrow.
Either one.
But shit may snowball in the
We're going
downtown.
out.
so
Either
you never
one.
know.
I'm here to chill with
It
you.
always happens.
Sounds good.
That'd be a good
Sounds
time.
good to me. If you stop trying to fuck bartenders.
Trying
That's
and
honestly
doing.
not-
What's the Nike logo? Just do it.
Please don't.
Come on, you can
I saw a really good sticker yesterday of a stick man humping the word it.
All right, pizza.
Do it.
Don't go get food.
I was talking about, you weren't there with them.
How long? Fastest invitation.
That sounds like work.
Get some pizzas. Some pizzas. Some pizzas. I think we're gonna do pizza.
What's that? Is that
Pizza?
food?
Yeah.
I'm down with food.
It's Italian for pizza.
So, we're going to go to Noah's real quick, and then we're going to go to Garret.
Pizza?
You're
Oh,
going?
a pizza?
Noah's.
Pizza?
One of those.
Whoa. Are y'all coming out? I'll get it all.
Since it's last night, I'm gonna drop it. Are you gonna be coming?
We got black stuff.
Hey, Jackie boy.
I went over the next time I see.